Hey guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. Today I filmed a whole house speed clean for you. I did not clean any of the bathrooms because I had done them the day before, but I do go around to each room and just clean it as needed. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? The scene that keeps playing on repeat.
So I always start off by cleaning in my master bedroom. I don't know why. I think I just like to get that area done, and then I can head on to the other rooms, and I kind of work from the right side of my house all the way to my left this time. And my daughter had come in there and laid with me this morning, so I went and put her animals back in her bedroom, and then I'm going to get the bed made. I've been getting a lot of questions lately about my comforter and where I got it, and it's just a really light gray, and I bought mine from Ross.
Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come
I try to keep my bedding just really basic and simple because I like to make it every single day, and I feel like if you have a lot of pillows or blankets, you're going to be less likely to do that, so just less is more. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my Dyson Animal Vacuum, and I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the floors. My vacuum is another one I've been getting a lot of questions about, and they want to know why I chose the Animal. With all honesty, I didn't need it as far as Tiger goes because he doesn't shed, but I liked the extra attachments it came with, and it had like a special roller one so I can do like my sofa or vacuum out my car. So to me it was worth that cost so that I had those extra attachments.
Oh, where does it come from? Where does it come from?
Now I'm going to head on into my laundry room. I do like to do about one load a day on laundry. I may take Sunday or Saturday off if I'm busy. So I probably do laundry about 6 days a week, and as you can tell, I ran out of my homemade laundry detergent, so I've got to get that made. And then I'm just using my Downy as the laundry softener, and then I'm also out of my beads. I had not been to the grocery store yet, so I've got to get all those picked up. And then I'm going to throw everything into the washer, and here in a second you're going to see me pull out a decorative pillow and put it in there. I do wash those pillows. They do just fine, and they come out so much like fuller and fluffier when I take them out of the dryer. So I don't recommend that for all your pillows, but I definitely do it with mine because I like them clean. Now I've headed into Savannah's room, and I'm going to make her bed for her and just kind of tidy up her bedroom. She is actually in my office doing her homeschool work right now, so I didn't want to make her stop and come in there to make her bed. It's just easier for me to go and get it done, and then she can get her morning schoolwork done. I will be filming a homeschool video for you guys very soon, so you guys can kind of see from start to finish what we do and our routine. I've got a few videos planned, but I just wanted to kind of get us into the swing of things and figure out exactly what we're doing because every year's a little different, but those will be coming out very soon.
Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution.
If you follow me on Instagram, you already know this, but if you don't, I had a sweet subscriber send Savannah like this huge package of some of her daughter's stuff. We had like dance clothes and movies and books, jackets, and she also sent us like 8 JoJo bows and that bow hanger that's over there on her closet door, and we just want to thank you so much. That was so sweet. My daughter has worn them every day and she just loves them. You guys, I really do have the best subscribers, so thank you so much for all you do for me and my family.
You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
This was a little bit later in the day because we had finished up homeschool, and there's always like this huge explosion after homeschool because all of her books and notebooks and planners, all that are out. So we just kind of tag team it, and I work and put away the stuff that I was needing, and then she puts away all her morning work in her backpack and tidies that up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give the room a good wipe down. This room I do like to wipe down every week. I don't do that with our bedrooms, but in here I'm getting ready, I'm doing my hair, I'm getting dressed, and then not to mention all the time we spend over at my desk between work and homeschool, so it just needs a freshen up every week.
You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are.
As always, I'm going to be using my e-cloths, and they're just rags that require water, and this one's made for glass, and then I use the blue one to dry it so that it's streak free. These work so well. Sometimes I use them with product, but you definitely do not have to. That's just if you want the smell of the product, like Method. I really enjoy their smells. If you guys are curious about this product or want to learn more or see their prices, definitely click on my e-cloth link down below in my description box.
I'm looking outside my window. I try to see where my luck goes. I just don't know how it's.
I wanted to talk about my straightener real fast because ever since I posted my Get Ready With Me, you guys have been sending so many questions about my straightener. It is a $20 one from TJ Maxx. I love cheese straighteners, and I had mine for like 8 years and it broke when I was on vacation, and I've always meant to replace it, but they're so expensive. I hate to spend the money, so I just ran to TJ Maxx and grabbed that one. And I will say it works really well. I don't think it glides near as smooth as a Chi, but it definitely gets the job done, and I've used it for well over a year and I haven't replaced it yet, so that shows I love it. So if you don't have the budget for a Chi, I'd say run into TJ Maxx and just grab a cheap one. It does work well. If you have the budget, I love Chi hands down, and one day I'll make the investment and buy it again.
Many beautiful faces. So understand what we could do. Around the world, say to Peru. We lie in bed till it's PM, eating breakfast when it's dark again. Let us be partners in crime. You and me as body and pride. We'll dance along in the afterglow. With me a song on the radio.
headed into our guest bedroom, and I don't clean this room very often. I'll wipe it down just to keep the dust gone, and I do like to vacuum in it every couple weeks or at least once a week, just because the floor, I don't know, I just like seeing vacuum lines and I like it ready to go if guests come over. So like I said, you won't see me clean this room every week, but I do like to go in here and just kind of wipe it down and vacuum. And then I'm going to head into my guest bathroom real quick and go ahead and pick up that rug and vacuum that tile.
Without love being born, tell me what you do. Tell me what you do. Without love in your heart.
After I finish that side of the house, I like to head in and clean my kitchen and dining room and living room last. And I know that doesn't make sense. Those should probably be the areas I clean first, just so if visitors come over, but I don't know, that's just kind of the routine I started, and so that's kind of what I do. I'm a creature of habit. So I went and took the dirty rags and threw them in the laundry room, and now I'm going to work on the dishes.
Hoping to get by, hoping to get by. You're so much stronger than you think, yeah. And you do the best you can. Oh, you could paint the whole world in pink, when really it's black and blue. Oh, so black and blue. Without love in your heart, without love by your side, without love being part. Tell me what you do. Tell me what you do. Some people walk through this life, not on their feet but on their face, standing on the edge of a night, hoping to get by, hoping to get by. So much stronger than you think, and you do the best you can, yeah. You can paint the whole world in pink, when really it's black and blue. Oh, so black and blue. Without love in your heart, without love by your side.
After I get the dirty dishes out of the sink, I always just like to scrub it down to make sure it's fresh and smells clean. And then I'm going to grab my kitchen e-cloth rag and just wet it down so that I can wipe down all the granite in my kitchen.
Without love being part, love in your heart, yeah. Tell me what you do. Tell me what you do.
Now I'm going to go ahead and light my kitchen candles so the house will start smelling pretty. This is a gray candle from Big Lots, and it was like $8, and it says grateful. It was in their Thanksgiving decor area. It is really hard to find a gray candle that smells good. I'm always looking for them because I don't like color out my house, but I absolutely love that one. And now I'm going to head into my dining room, and I'm going to move out all the chairs, and I'm going to even take everything off my table. I just want to give this area a good wipe down. I like cleaning underneath those pumpkins, but I definitely don't do it every time since the way they're stacked. A lot of you guys have said to get a tray, and so I'm on the hunt for like a round one. I don't really want like a square one. And then I need to vacuum the rug because it's been a while since I've actually vacuumed underneath where the chairs are.
Love by your side. Without love being part. Tell me what you do. Tell me what you
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better.
Now I'm gonna grab my e-cloth and head into the living room and wipe down my lamps, my side tables, my fireplace. I'm also going to wipe down my front door. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you guys never saw the finished product of that picture for my front door. And it was like a design, and I went ahead and painted it gray. And if you can see back there, I really didn't get a good angle of it. I did hang a family picture on it because it was just a little too plain, but now I love it and I'm so glad I bought it.
I'm moving strong, I'm moving on. I'm alright. Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes, tables turn in your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better off. When I look at what I've done, I'm being hurt. When I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better off. When I look at what I've done, I'm being hurt. When I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. Sometimes it burns, sometimes it hurts. When you say my name, but thinking of hers. I don't wanna know, don't want you to go and leave me behind. No, I don't wanna see if it isn't me who's on your mind. 'Cause I don't know what you're looking for. Oh, and I don't know what to do.
Now I'm going to use my e-cloth mop to mop my floors. I do not feel like my home feels clean until my floors are done. I think my house can even be a mess, but if my floors are shiny, I just feel so much better and they just look cleaner. They do not last like that for long. I swear it's about 10 minutes and then Tiger comes running in, or Chase or Savannah, and they're back dirty, which is totally fine, but I just love walking into a room with the floors shiny and no footprints. And so I'm gonna do this throughout my whole living room, kitchen, dining room, and hallways, and then I'll be good to go.
I stared at your face, but it's not your tone. Saying oh hello, who are you to call me late in the night? She says, I just gotta say that it's here with me and not where he might be. 'Cause
Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly do love each and every one of you. You guys have been so supportive and kind to me and just grown my channel so much faster than I could have ever imagined. So just thank you so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.